Real estate agents are still answering the same question over and over. What if you had a chatbot that works 24/7, save time, capture leads, and even book appointment for you? Let me show you how I built this one using Voiceflow, ChatGPT, and Airtable. And I'm even giving away all the template for you for free in the description below. So let's jump in. This right here is Voiceflow. It's a tool that lets you to create chatbots for a website, messenger, or any platform found you need to write a single line of code. It's a drag and drop simple. In minutes, you can design a chatbot that talks like a human, answer common questions, and connect directly to your CRM. I use it to automate customer support for real estate agents, and today I'll show you how. The ultimate goal of this project is simple: to create a chatbot that works for you 24/7. Whether someone wants to buy, sell, rent, or just ask a question, the bot takes care of them, collect their details, and save them for follow-up. Here's how it works. When a customer visits your website, the chatbot steps in to guide them and categorize their intent into one of the four funnels: sell, buy, rent, and FAQ. For each category, the bots ask specific questions, sellers share property details, buyers give their budget and location, renters explain why they're looking for. FAQ get instant answers. All the information like phone numbers, emails, and preference goes straight into Airtable so you can easily follow up. This is the overview of the whole system. I'll explain it step by step, so don't worry. Let's jump in and start creating our chatbot. By the way, you can get the whole template for free in the link in the description. Step 1, the welcome message. The chatbot kicks things off with a warm greeting. Hi there, thank you for coming to e-housing real estate. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a property? This immediately captures what the customer wants, so we can guide them right to the solution. And there's the 4 types of button I set. If you want add buttons, go to listen and choose button. And you can add buttons like buy and like this. It's pretty simple. When someone chooses buy, we start asking the most important question to find their dream home by asking what kind of property are you looking for. And we set 3 types of buttons: apartment, house, and land. We create a new variable for property type and set 3 types of variables. First one is set property type to house. Second one is set property type to apartment. And the last one is set property type to land. After we ask what kind of property are you looking for, we're gonna ask the location, and we're gonna go to listen and go to capture and set a variable for buy and location. For example, this can be location or buy location or whatever you want. After that, we add response AI and the data set is gonna be AI model. After that, the prompt is going to be extract the location from user input on where they would like to variable by location. And then only respond with this format only. Nothing else. Location is a great place to move to. So if I enter Tokyo for the location, the chatbot is going to answer nothing else. Tokyo is a great place to move to, which is pretty nice. After that, we add a message here for what is the budget for my home. And we add a capture for here, and we set variable for buy budget. And after that, this is gonna be, I'm positive we can find you a house in your budget. Is there anything you're looking for, especially in a home? For example, like 1 bathroom or 1 bedroom. We're gonna capture those type of answers in this variable. And I set the variable to buy looking. After that, we set a response AI and set the prompt to extract the relevant list of information from the user input on what they're looking for in a home. It responds with the list of the requirement and only say, got it, after for this user input. For example, if I enter 1 bathroom and 1 bedroom, they're gonna say, got it. Finally, the chatbot wraps up by asking for the buyer's contact details, first name, phone, email, so the agents can follow up quickly and move leads through the pipeline. So this is the name and the phone and the email. By the way, if you want to see the whole flow, you can download the free template in the description below. And lastly, we're gonna wrap it up with a nice message. Great, a team member will reach out to you shortly to get started on. And I set an action for the variable in the first part of it. after the buttons. So if the clients select buy, I set a variable to action to finding your dream home. So the last message is gonna be, great, a team member will reach out to you shortly to get started on finding your dream home. And thank you for choosing e-housing. Once the chatbot collects all the details, it just doesn't sit there. It sends everything straight to Airtable. So this is the process of connecting Airtable to Voiceflow. And go to Logic. First, go to Dev and select API and set an API key. I already have my API here, so I'm going to delete this one. And after that, go to this section and go and hit post. And this is where you need your Airtable API key. If you want to get your Airtable API key, go to your Airtable, select help, and go to API documentation, and go to authentication and go to create tokens. And as you can see, I already create my token here, but you can create a new token and you can call it whatever you want. And if you want, this is the most important part, that you need to add all the scope right here, like this. You just add all of them here until everything is gone, and go to access and add a base that you want to connect it and create token. I already have one, so I'm gonna skip this one. And after you create your API token, you're gonna go to headers and add authorization and go to barrier, and this is the API token you need to paste. After that, go to headers again and add content type and add application/JSON. And this is the most important part of like connecting to your Airtable and Voiceflow, is adding the body. For this example, my real estate CRM for buy table is name, email, phone, property type, and location. In the real estate CRM, in the buy table, the fields is name, email, phone, property type, location, and budget. So we're gonna create this one. Create this JSON here. And by the way, if you want the whole template, you can go to the link in the description for free and just copy and paste it, the JSON, I'll put it. And the name is gonna be name. This is gonna be the same variable you create for your chatbot. So name, email, property type, and yeah, just etc. After that, you're gonna go to send request, for example, and you can test here that your Voiceflow and Airtable is already connected. For example, Zima Camera. Email is gonna be I'm gonna go to like random. I'm gonna fill up the information here. And if you hit generate, it's gonna say 201 OK. And as you can see, hold on, I'm gonna reload this one real quick. And as you can see, this is the information I put, and you can see it's already connected to Airtable. And you can build this one for sale and rent. And I'm not gonna go the whole section again for rent and sale. You can go through the template I provide and see what kind of question am I asking. And yeah, this is the whole process of the buy, sell, and rent. And for the FAQ, it's gonna be a little bit different, so I'm gonna explain it all around here. The goal is when the clients ask any question in the FAQ section, we want to give them a tailored response. Once the client hit FAQ, you can see here, we add a message here and capture the last urgence. So this is gonna be, for example, what is the buying process for this company? And this is gonna capture the response. And they're gonna answer based on the knowledge base. So you need to add some information in the knowledge base. For example, what's the process for renting a property, or like how do I start the home buying process, or like what are your commission rates, and based on this knowledge base, they're gonna give you the answer. If the agent couldn't find the answer, they're gonna lead it through this message, which is, I couldn't find a relevant answer for your question. To get you the best help, I'm going to have one of your representatives reach out to you via a email. So they're gonna click your email here and like give you like more personal answers, and the process is gonna be the same. In the section we do in the buy section, collect your name, email, add a message here. Awesome, just to confirm, your name is Kazuma and your name and the email is blah blah blah. After that, we're gonna capture the questions here. I'm gonna test this one real quick by going to this API and send request. Name Kazuma Kamira, email 123 gmail.com, and my phone number. I'm gonna put my random phone number here. And the question, can I buy a house? Well, and it's gonna say 211 OK. Go to FAQ here, and you can see my email, name, email, phone, and the FAQ. We can run the test by selecting run and select run test. Hi there, thank you for coming eHouse Real Estate. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a property? And we're gonna select buy. It's gonna show the whole process here. And I'm gonna select apartment for this one. And they're gonna say what location I'm looking about. I'm gonna say Tokyo. And Tokyo is a great place to move to. What is the budget for home? I'm gonna say 100K USD. Is there anything you're looking for in the home? I'm gonna say 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Oops. I'm gonna move to here, say 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Got it. Thank you for your information. Can you please give me your first and last name? Kazuma Mira, and the number 0000. And what is a good email for me? gmail.com. By the way, once the chatbot collects all the details, as you can see, I connected to the API, the Airtable API, and you can see my name, email, phone number, property type, location, budget, and the style. It automatically connected to Airtable, and you can collect all the details after the whole conversation. It's pretty nice. And that's how I use Voiceflow to automate customer support for real estate agents. If you want to see more automation videos like this, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. And if you're a real estate agent and want a chatbot for a business like this, go to the link in the description below and see you in the next video. Cheers!